Welcome to another edition of Chart Talk. I'm Tony Ogorek. I am here with Portfolio Manager Jeff Viksjo. And Jeff, the title of our bit today is It Seemed Like a Good Idea at the Time. And I think that is going to be what people are telling themselves in a year if they're contemplating getting out of the market right now as it's down 20 some odd percent.
Yeah, I think you're right, Tony. And that's proven the case, whether it was the COVID downturn, the great financial crisis, or even that sharp downturn we saw around Christmas of 2018. The market's always come back. This chart paints a nice picture for us. And what it shows you is if you invested $10,000 in the stock market about 20 years ago and held all the way through, didn't bail when the market declined, that $10,000 would have returned about 9.5% per year or be worth, $62,000. That's a pretty nice return. What's very interesting about this chart is it shows you if you just missed the 10 best days over 20 years, so not 10 days per year, but 10 days total over the 20 years, that's about 5,000 trading days, your returns would be cut in half. Pretty amazing, Tony.
It is, Jeff, and that's about 0.2% is giving you half the returns over 20 years. And the remarkable thing is if you miss the 30 biggest gain days over 20 years, you essentially earn nothing. You are getting what cash is. So to frame it another way, the 30 biggest gain days in the market over 20 years is the difference between cash returns and stock returns. And Jeff, talk about the proximity of blowout returns on the downside as well as the upside.
Yeah, what's really interesting is these 10 best days, that they're not entirely random. 7 of those best 10 days in 20 years came within 2 weeks after one of the 10 worst days. Tony, we're in the midst of a 20% decline in stocks. We're in the worst days right now. Hopefully that means the best days are coming soon after.
Thanks, Jeff. And markets are perverse. Just when you think they're going to zig, they're going to zag. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can accurately predict the future, which is why our best advice for clients is to stay the course. Invariably, you are going to pick up some of those big gain days, and that's going to make all the difference in your performance. So thank you for sharing this edition of Chart Talk with us.